welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'll be making some curry chicken. So I'm just showing the seasonings that I'm using. So after I mix up everything, I'm just going to be cutting some potatoes, onions, green peppers, and carrots. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit the like button. I'm trying to stay consistent. I need you guys to make sure you support by liking the video. Once that was done, I'm just going to be putting some oil in the pot and some curry powder. Once the oil heated up, I'm just going to be putting the chicken in, and then I'm going to put the green peppers and onions in. Now I'm just mixing everything up, and then I'm going to be adding water to cover the chicken. Okay, after I let it cook for a while, I'm just going to be adding the potatoes and carrots in now and let it continue to cook. Okay, now that it's done, this is how it looked. And I made white rice on the side, so I'm just going to be showing y'all me making my plate. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you can be notified when I post more videos.